Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm HD Signatures. Welcome back if you are a returning subscribers. If you are just joining my channel or just seeing this face for the first time, hi, welcome. I'm HD Signatures. So guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from the Venus store. She sent contact lenses to me and I want to review it with you guys. I've actually worn them, guys. I've worn the contact lenses, but this is going to be the first time, featuring it on my channel. They are super affordable and they are so comfortable, guys. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Go ahead and use the solution. It helps the lenses to stick well while you're fixing it. I've already used these lenses, that's why I labeled it L. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. The L means it's going to go to my left side, and the R initial means it's going to go to my right side. So I'm going to go ahead and use the solution. So this solution is going to be used to clean out any dirt, just to cleanse it from any dirt that might make your eyes become irritated. This little tool will help to fix the contact lenses really well. So if you are somebody that is scared to use your finger to fix your contact lens, you can go ahead and use this. So all you need to do is to pick it out. When you pick it out, you go ahead and take out the excess water from it, and I'm going to go ahead and fix it. So there are different ways to fixing this. You're going to look straight. I'm going to look straight into the mirror, like I have a mirror in front of me. So I'm going to look straight into the mirror. See? Right, so guys, and don't be bothered about it. It's fine if you have water coming out or maybe you're teary. Just close your eyes, but you should be fine. So, and the good thing about these contact lenses is it's so soft and it's not so thick. It's soft and it's very light, so it will give you any form of discomfort. For the second eye, I'm going to go ahead and use my fingertip, just so I show you guys how to use. Put your fingertip and the picker that comes in some contact lenses. So I'm going to go ahead and use this solution. So the excess of using this solution is to clean it. Can you see? I'm cleaning it. And make sure before you do this that your hands are clean, like super clean, before you go ahead and do this. So I'm just going to go ahead and take away the excess water. You place it, it gives you this, bow shape. This is how it should be. So if it's not giving you a bow shape, it means you need to turn it inward. So I'm going to fix it this way. When you're fixing, if you're using your fingertip, use the opposite hand to the eye you're fixing the contact lenses. Use it to lift up your lid from the root. Then on the part where you're fixing the contact lenses, the hand you're using, just push down this part in a way that you will not be able to blink. See? Make sure you should steady your eyeball, then place it. Once you place it, close your eyes, open up your eyes, and guys, you should be fine. Like, it's going to fit in really well. So if for some reason you feel discomfort with your eyes, please go ahead and use the eye drop that comes in the contact lenses. So this is going to clear of any discomfort you're feeling, but feeling a little bit of sensation is expected. That way it's trying to adjust itself, and sometimes one eye can feel a little bit of discomfort to the other eyes. It's fine as far as you can see really well. But if you fix your contact lenses and that you're not looking really well, you feel uncomfortable, like you feel very uncomfortable, please take it away, or maybe you fix a wrong eye on the right eye. So guys, this is how this looks so far, and I feel so comfortable. The lenses I use, this particular one is Ocean Dark Gray. That's the one I use, Ocean Dark Gray. And this is from the Venus store. I'm going to leave it in the screen. Like, they are super amazing and very affordable. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the second one looks like, so you guys can choose. So keep on watching, guys. So guys, this is the second one, and this is RussianGirl Blue. Like you guys can see how it's looking on me. It looks really pretty. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and put on the last one. So I'll see you guys. So guys, this is the third one, and this is Aurora Yellow Gray. I love Aurora so much. Like, I love how it looks. It's not so, you know, bright, and it's not so calm at the same time. It just looks really well blended with my skin. It comes with a disposable case and this mini. Once I'm done with them, I take it out, put it back in the disposable case, and you know, I just seal them back. You know, I had back the solution. What do you guys think? Which one do you like? Let me know in the comment section. For me, Aurora Yellow Gray is my absolute favorite. Let me know which one of these three contact lenses is your favorite down in the comment section. And guys, this contact lenses was sent to me from the Venus store .ng on IG. I'm going to leave our Instagram handle on the screen, or check the comment section. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, leave me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.